Right now, ChatGPT is giving away their Plus plan for free for 30 days. Normally, it costs $20 a month, but for the next month, you don't pay anything. After 30 days, it charges $20 a month automatically. But here's the thing, you can cancel anytime. So you have a full month to try it completely risk-free. The Plus plan gives you faster responses, way better image generation, longer conversations that remember everything, advanced features like agents and code writing, and way more. Let's get started. Step 1 is super simple. Go to chatgpt.com and log into your account. You'll see your ChatGPT dashboard. Right now, you're probably on the free plan, and that's fine. That's where everyone starts. Just make sure you're logged in, because you need your account to claim this free offer. Step 2, find the pricing page. You can do this a few ways. You can click your profile picture at the bottom left of the screen, or look for an upgrade button, or you can click the menu and find pricing from there. Once you're on the pricing page, you'll see 4 plans. Free plan, that's $0, your current plan. Go plan, $5 a month. Plus plan, and this is the one we want. It normally costs $20 a month, but right now there's a blue button that says claim free offer. That's what you click. And Pro plan, $200 a month for power users. You can see the Plus plan is highlighted in blue. That's your target.
Step 3. Click the Claim Free Offer button on the Plus plan. This blue button is your ticket to the free trial. Click it. When you click it, you'll go to a checkout page. Don't worry, you won't be charged today. But the page will show you something important. You'll see monthly subscription, $20, promotion, minus $20. Due today, $0. See that? $0 due today. That's the free month. Your card won't be charged until 30 days from now. Step 4. Add your payment information. Now you're on the payment page. You need to fill in, first, your email address. That's already there from your ChatGPT account. Second, your credit card or debit card. Don't worry, it won't be charged for the first month. But you do need to provide it, because that's how free trials work. Then your full name, then your country. You can select it from a drop-down menu. Then your billing address, your street address, your city, your postal code or zip code. Take your time filling this out. Make sure everything is correct. Again, your card will not be charged today. You're paying $0 right now. And that's it. You're now a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. You'll get a confirmation on the screen, and you'll also get a confirmation email. Right now, you have full access to Plus. All the features are unlocked. Here's what happens next. For the next 30 days, you have everything. Write code, create images, have long conversations, use advanced features. Try everything. Around day 28 or 29, you'll get an email saying your free trial is ending soon. On day 30, if you do nothing, your subscription renews. They charge you $20. If you want to cancel, you have until the end of day 30 to cancel. To cancel, you go to your settings, find billing, and click cancel. Super easy. You can do it any time before day 30. If you cancel, you keep Plus for the rest of the month, then on day 31 you go back to free. No charges. Alright, that's how you get ChatGPT Plus for free. Here's the quick recap. Go to chatgpt.com, log in, find the pricing page, click Claim Free Offer on the Plus plan. Fill in your payment info, but you won't be charged. Click subscribe. You're done. Enjoy 30 days of Plus for free. Remember, this is a limited time offer. They won't do this forever. So if you want the free trial, do it soon. This video took me a while to make, so if it helped you, please like it. And subscribe so you see more tech tutorials like this. In the comments, tell me, which Plus feature are you most excited to try? Image generation? Code writing? Deep research? Thanks for watching. Good luck with your free ChatGPT Plus.